in this example we are having lower limit as 0 to 2 for mod of x minus 3 dx. Now what new thing is there? Now just look here. If we are writing x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, okay, and 3 does not lies between 0 and 2, between lower limit and upper limit. Therefore, need not to write given integral as sum of integrals. Okay, so then what to do with this one? Now what we are going to do then, 0 to 2 x minus 3 dx is equal to 0 to 2 minus x minus 3 dx. Now we can write it as 0 is less than x is less than 2 and x minus 3 is less than 0. So we will be solving only this part. Now minus x square upon 2 minus 3x 0 to 2. Now this becomes negative of 4 upon 2 minus 6 minus 0. This is equal to minus 2 minus 6. This is equal to 4. This is the answer.